welcome back. So we have an absolutely beautiful day to get the siding on.
Yeah, so we'll start the siding, but first you look amazing and stunning at the same time in that tank top. Just saying.
He's a ham.
The furnace strips are up, so if you guys remember, I guess I said last video, the reason for the furnace strips, we have wood siding, so we want a small air gap behind the siding for, I guess, a little bit of drainage, a little bit of water gets back there, it actually flows down, we'll get some air going through, the whole nine, instead of having the siding sandwiched against the side of the house and potential for rot. So that's why we have furnace strips on there, and what's next? Just
start framing up the window and start getting the siding on.
Alrighty.
Alright, let's go.
I was told that you belong on the riverside.
Fantastic.
Looking far from being strong, turning from the tide. I went down to see you there. Your eyes were dark and cold. I picked you up to go somewhere, a place that I
walking on the boards?
We need more than hopes and wishes for us to make it through the night. Stormy weather, weary eyes, hope to make it through the night. Before this night is over, I will guide you home. All this time you thought we'd never pay the price. In the game of love you have to roll the dice. My heart got 7 years to life. 7 years to life. I've been told that time will heal all our wounds and our sorrows too. No more clouds, no more rain. I need sun to ease my pain. Before this night is over, I will guide you home.
Okay guys, so we got the front portion of the siding done, and just in the nick of time because Josh happened to come down with a terrible man cold last night. I didn't really think we were going to make it through that, but we did.
I mean, I almost died. I mean, out of fever, I almost died, obviously, so.
You guys know how it is, right? So anyways, the front portion of the siding is done, and I could not be more thrilled with how it looks. I think it's awesome.
I like it. I like the color. You like the color?
I love the color.
It looks great. Is it too dark for you?
It's not. I love it. I think that the horizontal boards with dark color against the siding that's got the vertical lines on it that's gray. I mean, I think it looks great together.
So why'd we go this route versus, I guess, the board and batten route?
We thought about a lot of different ways we could do the siding. Board and batten is actually what we've been planning on going with for a long time now. But I think that we made the right choice going this way. It's very clean. I think it would have been too much, the board and batten with the ridges on the roof.
This way was easier too. Always,
Yeah.
it's tongue groove. Slap it in, nail it in, and it's done. So
Yeah.
it's extremely easy. Wasn't a hard project for us, so.
I also like that with the tongue and groove, we were able to hide the nails in between each of
With
the
the board and
planks.
batten, you would too, though, with the top piece.
Yeah, I guess it would have just gone on the top and
would've,
bottom
but-
with it. I think it looks good. So, you know, I don't know. I assume that it's probably going to lighten up possibly over time. We don't get a ton of sun on this side of the house, but if it does end up lightening up over time, then I'm probably going to want to go back in and stain it to keep it dark.
Okay, we'll see. Play it by ear, see if that happens.
Yeah.
And thank God for that free window.
Oh, I know. And the window's beautiful. I mean, I love the way that it reflects the scene behind us, and if you're standing on the side, you can see the mountain range. It's pretty awesome.
Yep, it's a low E window, so I guess it's energy efficient. So,
Yeah.
great.
So next up is going to be finishing up the siding on both sides of the dormer, the trim, working around the metal roofing, wrapping the metal on that,
Yep.
the soffit, and sealing around the window.
We got probably a good day and a half left to work on that particular dormer, and then we got the next dormer to do.
Yes, and I also want to try and get in there. We've got some of those vent pipes that are still coming out. I'd like to get those painted black,
Yeah,
so they're out of the
definitely
way because
too.
they're kind of an eyesore for right now. So, but I mean, it was an easy project. What do you think?
It was very easy. Yeah, no problem doing that at all.
Yeah, it's pretty much just cutting and getting it put together. I mean, compared to the other stuff that we've done. We've been kind of like anxious and worried about how the weather's going to be, because when we first moved here, which was almost a year ago, it was just constant rain. It was so hard to get even our septic put in.
Yeah.
The septic or the well, and then getting the roof on and everything. We were constantly having to work around the rain, so I think we're kind of like, oh my gosh, when's that monsoon weather going to come again? Hopefully it doesn't.
But it's rained all year long, though.
It has, and then now all of a sudden it's not raining. Probably because we have the
beautiful.
roof on the house, right?
Yeah, it's beautiful though.
It is. It's gorgeous out here. So yeah, we've been here almost a year. Things are going well, so I guess that's it, right?
That's all we got.
All right, guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.
See ya. I'll see you in that plum.
Hey, we're putting a trap up with an egg.
What's that?
It's periwinkle.
Is that a color?
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Periwinkle? No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Periwinkle is a color.
Periwinkle. Yeah, it's a color.
Periwinkle.
Yes, it's periwinkle.
How about pumpernickel?
That would be the type.
Color your pants.
That would be.
Damn.
That would
Done. That's it.
That would be the type of bread that you're constantly shoving down your face.
He just dropped the level.
He's got butter all over his fingers. I lied. They changed it. You guys check. You guys check.
Look at him.
This.
Oh.